A sea pen is a marine organism belonging to the class Anthozoa, which also includes corals, sea anemones, and other related species. Sea pens are soft-bodied colonial animals that resemble a quill pen or feather, hence their name. They are typically found in the deeper parts of oceans worldwide, although some species can be found in shallow waters as well. Here are some key features and characteristics of sea pens. Anatomy. Sea pens consist of a soft, cylindrical, or feather-like main body called the rachis, which is supported by a flexible internal skeleton made of a protein called gorgonin. The rachis is typically divided into segments or branches, with polyps located on the sides. The polyps have tentacles used for feeding and respiration. Colony structure. Sea pens are colonial organisms, which means that they consist of multiple individual polyps living together as a group. Each polyp within the colony has a specific function, such as feeding or reproduction. The entire colony shares a common root-like structure called a peduncle, which anchors the sea pen to the sea floor. Feeding. Sea pens are filter feeders, meaning they capture food particles suspended in the water column. The polyps extend their tentacles into the water to capture plankton and other small organisms, which are then passed to the mouth for ingestion. Some sea pen species also have photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae living within their tissues, which provide additional nutrients through photosynthesis. Habitat. Sea pens are found in a variety of marine habitats, including sandy or muddy sediments, rocky substrates, and coral reefs. They are most abundant in deeper waters, typically below 10 meters, 33 feet, but can also occur in shallower coastal areas. Sea pens are often associated with areas of strong currents that provide a constant supply of food. Behavior. Sea pens are sessile organisms, meaning they are attached to the seafloor and do not move freely. However, they can retract their polyps into the rachis if disturbed or threatened. Some species can also flex and sway with water movements, enhancing their feeding efficiency by capturing more food particles. Species diversity. There are numerous species of sea pens, with varying shapes, sizes, and colors. They can range from a few centimeters to several meters in height. Some common genera of sea pens include Funiculina, Tilosarchus, Pinacula, and Virgularia. Conservation status. Like many marine organisms, sea pens face threats such as habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing. However, due to their deep-sea habitats and limited commercial value, they are not as extensively studied as some other marine organisms. Therefore, their conservation status and population trends are not as well understood. Overall, sea pens are fascinating creatures that contribute to the diversity and ecological balance of marine ecosystems. Their unique appearance and colonial behavior make them an intriguing subject of study for marine biologists.